Hello, we are Team 9 from Lomonoxop Secondary and High School.
I'm Ha An.
I'm Hoang Long.
I'm Hoang Long.
And our slogan is
1 for all and all for one. As you can see, I'm holding a machine which can be used for measuring the concentration of PM2.5. But first, let's understand what PM2.5 is. PM stands for particulate matter, and they have different sizes, but PM from 2.5 or lower is very harmful to breathe, considering that it can go inside and damage your lungs. PM2.5 is already very small, 25 to 1 times thinner than a human hair, so you can't see it and it can be vacuumed by general air cleaner. So, with this button, and just after 1 to 2 seconds, we have got our result. Normally, the amount of PM2.5 is in a small area is divided into 3 groups. 0 to 50 is safe, 51 to 100 is normal, 1 to 200 is unsafe or even dangerous. At the moment, the amount of PM2.5 in this room is 36, which means it's safe to breathe. However, if you go outside, the statistics will be much higher than normal. According to a research in 1996, 46% of dust which was inappropriate for breathing was decreased after 2 hours being treated with negative air ions, or called NICE. Based on the work, we came up with an idea to make a machine which reduces the amount of PM2.5 indoor by using NICE. We call it PM2.5 negative ionization air cleaner. Now, my partner Ha An will show you how it works.
How does the machine work? According to Coulomb's law in 1785, the force of interaction between the charges is attractive if the charges have opposite sign and repulsive if like sign. Since the PM2.5 contains many metallic particles, which can generate positive charges, using negative air ions can help reducing and filtering the PM2.5. Since the fan wings we're using are made of plastic, can generate negative air ions while operating vacuuming the small PM2.5 by mounting filters in the direction of wind blowing. Most of the dust can be filtered out and the air inside the area will be safer for inhalation. It's easy to operate a machine. As you can see, there's a small button on the top of the machine. By switching that on, it will automatically measure the air quality. Usually it takes 5 to 10 seconds for the measuring process. As you can see here, the green LED shows that the air inside this room is safe for breathing. But if I light this up, and put it near the device, you can see the LED lights turn red and the fan starts blowing, vacuuming the air inside. And by doing that, the fine dust will stick into the NAIs and will be filtered. As a result, the air will be safer for inhalation. And in order to improve the cleaning process, there's the switch for auto rotation. Therefore, the device can both purify the air while rotating in a circular shape. However, there are some things which this device isn't capable to do, so as a further improvement is required. Next, my friend Manh will talk about that topic.
It's about the purpose and commercial application of the invention. It's a portable device to place in different zoom sites suitable for small room. Also, it has an affordable price for most of customers, especially in developing countries such as Vietnam to buy. Moreover, it's a versatile device which can combine with sensor system measuring the air quality in the room. Here are new features compared to conventional air cleaners. This machine can handle PM2.5 using NICE from the direct current installed inside this cleaner. This different capacities depending on the area of the room. Besides, it's really cheap, but effective and convenient. Plastic fan which helps to vacuum PM2.5. At the same time, it has a switch which allows the whole machine to spin around and approach the PM2.5 direction. Last but not least, the cleaning process can be activated or deactivated automatically depending on the concentration of PM2.5. Plastic fan automatically activates to clean the air when the light is not green, and stop when the process finishes. In the near future, this machine will be upgraded with more user-friendly features. Furthermore, it will be remotely controlled via apps on a user's smartphone. In addition, it will have a sensor to calculate the total time that its machine needs to clean PM2.5 in a specific area automatically. The end of our project. Thank you for listening.